Imagine living in a country where snow covers the mountains for most of the year, yet your home stays warm 24 hours a day. Your electricity bill is among the lowest in Europe, and the energy powering your home comes from volcanoes. Welcome to Iceland, the country that transformed one of nature's greatest dangers into one of its greatest strengths. Iceland is home to only about 400,000 people, but it sits on one of the most dangerous geological locations on Earth. The island lies directly on the boundary between the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates. These plates slowly move apart every year. As they separate, molten rock from deep inside Earth rises toward the surface. This creates volcanoes, hot springs, geysers, and thousands of geothermal areas. Most countries would see this as a disaster. Iceland saw an opportunity. Millions of liters of rainwater seep deep underground. As the water moves closer to hot volcanic rocks, its temperature rises dramatically. Some of this water becomes steam at temperatures above 200 degrees Celsius. Engineers drill wells several kilometers into the earth to reach these underground reservoirs. The hot steam rushes upward through pipes. It spins massive turbines. Those turbines rotate generators, and the generators produce electricity. After the steam has done its job, it cools back into water. Instead of wasting it, Iceland pumps it underground again. The cycle starts all over again, clean, renewable, and available every single day. Electricity is only half the story. The leftover hot water doesn't go to waste. Instead, it travels through hundreds of kilometers of underground pipes. That water heats homes, schools, hospitals, swimming pools, and even sidewalks during winter. That's everyday life in Iceland. Around 90% of Icelandic homes are heated using geothermal energy, making heating both affordable and environmentally friendly. The obvious question is, why isn't every country using geothermal energy? The answer lies beneath the ground. Very few places on Earth have underground heat close enough to the surface. Iceland sits directly above an active volcanic zone. Countries like India, Germany, or the United Kingdom generally have much cooler underground temperatures, making geothermal electricity much more difficult and expensive. In other words, Iceland won nature's geological lottery. Today, almost 100% of Iceland's electricity comes from renewable sources, mainly geothermal energy and hydropower. This means very low carbon emissions, cleaner air, lower electricity costs, greater energy independence. Iceland has become one of the world's leading examples of sustainable energy. What was once considered a dangerous volcanic landscape has become the foundation of the country's economy and daily life. Nature often presents humanity with challenges, but Iceland proved something extraordinary. Sometimes, the greatest problems can become the greatest solutions. The same volcanoes that once threatened people's lives now power their homes, heat their cities, and light up an entire nation. Perhaps the future of clean energy isn't about fighting nature. It's about learning to work with it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.